Merry Christmas, PNTC!
Merry Christmas, PNTC!
Merry Christmas, PNTC!
I stand before you tonight as we celebrate two extraordinary occasions: the PNTC 30th anniversary and the joy-filled Christmas season with our company family.
Happy 30th anniversary, PNTC!
Happy 30th anniversary, PNTC!
Good evening, everyone. It fills me with immense joy and pride to look around and see the many faces that represent PNTC. It is remarkable that we have come this far to celebrate 30 years of providing quality and affordable education in the maritime sector. Tonight, therefore, is not only a celebration of all our achievements, but also an invitation for collaboration for the next years ahead. Cheers to all of you, and happy holidays to all. Thank you.
And a happy holidays to everyone. So let me start by saying, everyone looks amazing tonight. Ito pogi, ang gaganda nyo. Grabe. Although nagtatrabaho tayo sa Manila, sa Cavite, sa Navotas, di ba? Parang kaya pa natin magbukang nagtatrabaho sa BGC, no? No? As an institution, we are very, very simple. And but tonight we will not be simple. Okay, 30 years old na yung PNTC, ang daming food, masarap na food, maraming drinks, may prizes, may rewards, and most importantly, wala kami pasok bukas. Okay?
Let us celebrate, connect, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Once again, congratulations to everyone on our 30th anniversary. And may this Christmas bring joy, peace, and prosperity to all.
Merry Christmas, PNTC! Merry Christmas, PNTC!
Merry Christmas and happy 30th anniversary, PNTC!